Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Daddy Diaper Duty Kit is probably one of the most essential yet surprisingly overlooked items for new fathers navigating the exciting, albeit messy, world of parenthood. It's designed to equip dads with everything they need for swift, efficient, and even enjoyable diaper changes, transforming a potentially daunting task into a manageable and bonding experience, ensuring that no matter the situation, a prepared father is a confident father ready to tackle any diaper emergency with skill and a smile. Number 5. Ubbi Retractable On-the-Go Bag Dispenser. Introducing the Ubbi Retractable On-the-Go Bag Dispenser. It's the perfect diaper bag accessory for any parent on the move. This dispenser is designed for ultimate convenience during travel. Keep your surroundings clean and fresh wherever you and your baby go. Essential for new parents, this item makes diaper changes easier. It's a truly helpful addition to your baby gear collection. Looking for a thoughtful baby gift? This dispenser is a practical and appreciated present for any new family. Enjoy a hint of calming lavender scent with every use. It adds a pleasant touch to a necessary task. Its sleek gray color complements any diaper bag or stroller. This dispenser is both functional and fashionable. What we like. This dispenser offers a retractable design for easy storage and portability. If you're often on the go and need a discreet way to manage diaper odors, this is a great choice. Its lavender scent adds a pleasant touch to your diaper duty routine. What people say. The retractable design is very convenient because it makes pulling out bags quick and simple, especially when you only have one free hand. The lavender-scented bags are a nice bonus and help a lot when dealing with diapers or messy clothing while out and about. The bags are durable and leak-proof, providing peace of mind during disposal. Number 4. Diaper Genie Registry Gift Set. Introducing the Diaper Genie Registry Gift Set, your all-in-one solution for a fresher nursery. This complete kit has everything you need to get started. At its core is the Diaper Genie Complete Diaper Pail. It's designed for maximum odor control, keeping your home smelling clean. You'll also receive 8 refill bags, ensuring you're prepared for countless diaper changes. These are specifically designed to work seamlessly with the pail. An activated carbon filter is included to further enhance odor elimination. This provides an extra layer of freshness for your nursery environment. This set is the perfect starter kit for new parents or anyone looking to upgrade their diaper disposal system. It offers convenience and superior odor control. Make diaper duty a little easier with this comprehensive gift set. It's designed to simplify your nursery routine and maintain a clean, fresh-smelling home. What we like. This is a comprehensive starter kit designed for ultimate odor control. If you're setting up a nursery or looking for a hassle-free way to contain diaper smells, this pail is ideal. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. What people say. Very good, since it doesn't produce any bad odor, so I can keep it in the bedroom or anywhere in the house without worrying about smells. It has a large storage capacity and is easy to use. The Diaper Genie Complete Diaper Pail is a marvel of convenience. It's designed to lock in odors and keep your nursery smelling fresh. The foot pedal allows for easy, hands-free disposal of diapers, which is a feature I appreciate as a busy mom. This diaper pail is very easy to use and completely prevents diaper odor. Number 3. Frida Baby Basics Kit. Introducing the Frida Baby Basics Kit, your ultimate solution for baby care essentials. This comprehensive set is designed to make your parenting journey smoother and more comfortable. This 6-piece kit includes everything you need for your little one's well-being. From soothing discomfort to keeping them clean and tidy, we've got you covered. Breathe easy with our gentle nasal aspirator. It effectively clears stuffy noses, helping your baby feel better instantly. Keep tiny nails perfectly smooth and safe with our specialized nail files. Say goodbye to sharp edges and accidental scratches. Soothe your baby's tummy troubles with our innovative gas relief solution. It provides quick and gentle relief from discomfort. Make bath time a delight with our soft bath brush. It gently cleanses and exfoliates delicate skin, leaving it soft and healthy. Everything is neatly organized in a handy silicone carry case. Take these essentials with you wherever you go, ensuring preparedness on the move. What we like. This kit provides a variety of essential baby care tools in one convenient package. If you're a new parent who wants a compact solution for common baby issues like nasal congestion and nail care, this is perfect. The included case makes it easy to keep everything organized and accessible. What people say. The Frida Baby Basics Kit includes all the essential tools needed for baby care. From the Nose Frida nasal aspirator to the windy gas and colic reliever, it covers a range of needs that arise during the early months of a baby's life. Each tool in the kit is thoughtfully designed with both the baby and parents in mind. For example, the Nail Frida nail clippers have a unique spy hole that allows us to see exactly where we're cutting, ensuring a safe and worry-free nail trimming experience. The Frida Baby Basics Kit offers safe and effective solutions to common baby care challenges. The Nose Frida nasal aspirator, for instance, provides a hygienic and gentle way to clear baby's nasal congestion, offering much-needed relief. Number 2. Daddy's new black Toolbelt with new tools baby shower present. Introducing the ultimate baby shower gift for new dads. This isn't just any tool belt, it's a survival kit designed to help you conquer parenthood. Get ready for diaper duty and all the challenges of new parenthood. We've equipped you with everything you need to be the best dad possible. This comprehensive kit includes a high-quality, adjustable tool belt, protective glasses, a cozy receiving blanket, diapers, and even a toy bottle. It has all the essentials for those unexpected moments. Beyond the basics, it features pockets for hand sanitizer, baby wipes, and towels. You'll be prepared for any situation that comes your way. Tired of the same old baby shower gifts? Make your present unique and memorable with this funny and practical survival gear. It's a great way to encourage dad's involvement and create lasting memories. This is the perfect gift for expecting parents, friends, and family looking for a good laugh and a truly useful present. Get ready to be crowned Dad of the Year. What we like. This offers a fun and engaging way for dads to participate in diaper duty. If you're looking for a unique and humorous baby shower gift that will get a laugh and make dad feel involved, this Toolbelt kit is a fantastic option. It's designed for dads who appreciate a good joke and want to be prepared for anything. What people say. It comes with some things I wasn't sure was included, like goggles, diaper, and plastic bottle. Very funny. Number 1. You can do this dad baby bodysuit. Get ready for some serious cuteness with this adorable bodysuit. It's designed for maximum comfort and style for your little one. This outfit is perfect for your newborn, whether it's a boy or a girl. The soft fabric ensures they stay comfortable all day long. Featuring a funny and cute design, this bodysuit is sure to bring smiles. It's a great way to add some personality to their wardrobe. Crafted with high-quality materials, this is a must-have baby essential. It's durable and designed to withstand all the adventures of a new baby. Looking for the ideal outfit for your newborn? This black bodysuit is a fantastic choice. It's both practical and incredibly charming. This makes a wonderful gift for new parents. They'll appreciate the humor and the practicality of this sweet baby outfit. What we like. This bodysuit features a humorous and encouraging slogan for new dads. If you're looking for a cute and funny outfit for a newborn that celebrates the dad's role, this is a great choice. It's perfect for photos or just adding a touch of humor to your baby's wardrobe. What people say. It is soft and durable if you choose to use it. So cute, and he loved it as a new dad. Good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.